How to make a balloon U. It's like making a C. It's very easy. In fact, you could just look at the C. Blow it up like this. That's all we need. And we're just going to shape that like that. I squeeze both sides. Make sure you get the middle. Squeeze the air out. That's a V. Okay, but squeeze the air out there. Squeeze air out here. Now you've got the shape of a nice U. And you've got this fun thing here too. Isn't that fun? Well, of course, we want to get rid of that, so just tie it. And make sure the knot is as close to the balloon as possible. Cut it off. And there you have a nice U, or a C. Thank you. And capital and lowercase.